K-drama fans, get ready for the best romantic comedies from 2022 to 2024. From hilarious moments to heart-fluttering romance, here are the top-rated fan favorites. Let's dive in. 10. Business Proposal. With its fun premise, comedic misunderstandings, and sizzling chemistry, Business Proposal is a rom-com that grabs your attention from the very first scene. The story follows Shin Hari, who goes on a blind date pretending to be her friend, only to realize her date is none other than her company's CEO, Kang Tae-moo. While Hari tries to sabotage the date, Tae-moo, unbothered by her eccentric behavior, decides to marry her believing she is her friend to avoid his grandfather's matchmaking efforts. The hilarious identity mix-up, combined with the instant attraction between the leads, makes this drama an instant hook. 9. Yumi's Cells Season 2. Following the success of Season 1, Yumi's Cells Season 2 continued the heartfelt journey of Kim Yumi, played by Kim Go-yoon, and her adorable, animated, love cells. While the first season explored her personal growth and first love, the sequel focused on her new romance with Yoo Barbie, played by Park Jin-young, and her aspirations as a writer. Adapted from the popular webtoon, this unique live-action meets animation drama blends rom-com elements with slice-of-life storytelling. 8. King the Land. The most underrated romantic comedy out there is probably King the Land. With excellent acting skills and an entertaining duo found in Lee Joon-ho and Im Yoon-ah, King the Land is both a comedically genius and heart-racingly romantic. Chan Se-rang, played by Im Yoon-ah, is a hotel waitress who is taught to always smile and be polite to guests. Despite not graduating college, Sa-rang is excellent in everything she does and quickly rises to the top. She then catches the attention of Gu-won, the son of the hotel's owner. As Sa-rang and Gu-won fight, they inevitably fall in love. As King the Land intertwines three love stories, envious co-workers, and a mysterious past, you'll undoubtedly be kept entertained and hooked from the beginning to the end. 7. Love to Hate You. If you love enemies to lovers dynamics with a powerful female lead, Love to Hate You is the perfect pick. This fast-paced and unconventional rom-com follows Yo Mi-ran, played by Kim Ok-bin, a tough, street-smart lawyer who doesn't believe in love, and Nam Kang-ho, played by Yoo Tae-oh, a famous actor who distrusts women. Their paths cross in an unexpected way, leading to a fake dating situation and plenty of intense, hilarious clashes. As sparks fly, their playful rivalry turns into something deeper. With a bold female lead, sizzling chemistry, and action-packed moments, this drama became an instant fan favorite. 6. Welcome to Sandal-ri. A heartwarming rom-com with slice-of-life elements, Welcome to Sandal-ri tells the story of Jo Sam-dal, played by Shin Hae-sun, a renowned photographer who loses everything due to a career sabotage and decides to return to her quiet hometown to recover. There, she reunites with her childhood best friend and former lover, Jo Yeon-pil, played by Ji Chang-wook, now a dedicated weather forecaster. This drama beautifully portrays second-chance romance, personal growth, and small-town nostalgia, making it an emotional yet feel-good watch. Ji Chang-wook and Shin Hae-sun's performances make this a memorable romance drama with touching moments and heartfelt storytelling. 5. See You in My 19th Life. One of the most unique and emotionally gripping rom-coms in recent years, See You in My 19th Life is a fantasy romance that explores the idea of reincarnation and fate. Adapted from a popular webtoon, the drama follows Ban Ji-yoon, a woman who remembers all of her past lives. However, her 18th life was particularly special because it was when she met and fell in love with Moon Seo-ha. Tragically, her life ended too soon, and in her 19th life, she is determined to find him again. As Ji-yoon tries to reconnect with Seo-ha, she must navigate his emotional wounds and painful past, all while keeping her own true identity a secret. The drama blends beautiful storytelling with romance, humor, and deep emotions, making it a must-watch for fans of meaningful love stories with a fantasy twist. 4. My Sweet Mobster. If you love the bad boy meets good girl trope, My Sweet Mobster is the perfect rom-com for you. The drama stars UHM Tae-gu as Seo Ji-hwan, a former gangster trying to turn his life around, and her son Hawa as Go Yoon-ha, a cheerful children's entertainer who streams content for young viewer. Their worlds couldn't be more different, but fate keeps bringing them together in unexpected and hilarious ways. Despite his tough exterior, Ji Hwan finds himself drawn to Yoon-ha's warmth and kindness, while she slowly begins to see the good in him. With plenty of comedy, heartwarming moments, and an engaging romance, this drama proved to be one of 2024's biggest surprises, earning high ratings and praise from viewers. 3. Queen of Tears. One of the biggest hits of 2024, Queen of Tears became a record-breaking rom-com drama that captivated audiences worldwide. The drama follows the troubled marriage between Baek Hyun-woo, a humble lawyer, and Hong Hee-in, a wealthy heiress. Despite their fairy tale wedding, their relationship has grown cold and distant, leading them to consider divorce. However, when Hee-in receives an unexpected medical diagnosis, everything changes. As they confront their past, rediscover their love, and navigate family struggles, the drama delivers a heartfelt story filled with emotional depth, humor, and romance. The incredible performances by Kim Soo-hyun and Kim Ji-won, combined with the perfect balance of comedy and drama, made Queen of Tears one of the most unforgettable rom-coms of recent years. 2. Lovely Runner. Lovely Runner captured viewer hearts with its touching story, nostalgic romance, and exciting time travel premise. The drama stars Kim Hae-yoon as I.M. Sol, a devoted fan of top idol Yoo Sun-jae. When tragedy strikes and Sun-jae passes away, she is devastated until she mysteriously travels back in time to when he was still alive. Now given a second chance, I.M. Sol does everything she can to change his fate while also dealing with her own growing feelings for him. The drama is both heartfelt and thrilling, with a perfect mix of romance, comedy, and emotional depth. Fans loved the strong chemistry between the leads and the way the story beautifully portrays fate, choices, and love that transcends time. 1. Love Next Door. Taking the top spot as the highest-rated rom-com from 2022-2024 is Love Next Door. This childhood friends-to-lovers romance stars Young Hee-in as Choi Woo-jin, a successful architect, and Yoon So-min as Park Seon-ah, a woman who quits her job and returns to her hometown. Once childhood friends, their relationship drifted apart over the years, but when they reconnect as adults, old feelings begin to resurface in unexpected ways. As they navigate their complicated emotions, past memories come flooding back, leading to heartwarming and funny moments that make this drama a fan favorite. With a perfect mix of slice-of-life storytelling, romance, and comedy, Love Next Door became one of the most beloved and highly rated rom-coms of recent years, proving that sometimes, love is right next door. That's our list. Did your favorite make it? Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you next time.